Mother Nature 2. Ptah here with you today. And I'm showing you Capara, which is the beetle. We do not worship a beetle. It's called Capara. And I'm showing you the butterfly being cocooned from a mere worm, as you call it. Look at it. This is our story. Mother Nature. They have senses just like us, but we have used our senses different from them. Take a look, my brother, at Mother Nature. Mother Nature, the plants, the mint, where we get our medicine from. One of the medicine plant in Mother Nature. Look at it, blowing in the wind. And over here, you're seeing the one that we use to cook our food and season our food with, another mint. It's called the King Kong mint. Take a look at it. Showing you, see here, the triad plant in Mother Nature. Take a look at it. Showing you these things so you can see what Mother Nature looks like. The grass, the papaya. You can plant your own papaya, growing on the tree, papaya tree. Beautiful papaya tree. See? And this is what Mother Nature has provided for us. Not a tree over here. This one is called the jackfruit tree. The jackfruit. It's another tree that Mother Nature has bring with fruit on it for you to eat. Natural fruits. See? The jackfruit. Over here is a young coconut tree. Young coconut tree coming up. Young avocado tree. I'm talking about Mother Nature, and you gotta plant these fruit trees. It's necessary for us to plant it. Controlling global warming. These kind of things ptah is showing you today, that a lot of brothers and sisters across the globe don't even know that these things exist. They can grow in your greenhouse. See? Can grow in your greenhouse. These are food that we must have for our survival. Must have for our survival. Rising of the warrior. Look at it. Warrior. The sweet stop tree. The sweet stop tree. We must have all these trees. We must have all these trees. The pineapple. The pineapple. Grow in your backyard. There it is. Famous pineapple. Over here, you have the hockey tree. The hockey. Not the game, but the fruit called the hockey. Grows the Jamaican national dish, the hockey tree. Mother Nature provide all this for us. Mother Nature provide all that for us. The banana. That banana that you go out there and buy every day. This one is growing in my own backyard. The banana tree. With the banana coming out of it. See? Banana tree. You grow it in your backyard. Another tree right here called the susumba tree. Or gully bean. See? Susumba tree. You got to plant them. Susumba tree. There. Or gully bean. This soursop tree. Guanaba. Look at it. See? Grow in your own backyard. Mother Nature has provided all this for you. Banana, banana, banana. Banana mia. Huh? Mother Nature make this for you. The tambourine tree. Most of you never heard about tambourine, but this is a tambourine tree. Grows the tambourine for you. This is Mother Nature provide all of this for you. Do all this for you. This is Susumba. Provided for you. Avocado. It's an avocado tree. People be eating avocado all the time. There's an avocado tree right here. Young coconut tree. And young papaya tree growing up. And above them, you have the master tree called the rubber tree. One that the Dogon brought here with them. See? The rubber tree. Make your shoes, make your balls. Huh? Make your house. The rubber tree. You drive on it every day. Comes from Mali. Africa. Brought this here with us. We were enslaved then. Take a look, my brother. See, Jabba Ptah is not here telling you nonsense. Now this over here is the croton. You have heard about the croton in the allegory story that they wrote about Horus was sexually molested by Satyphon. And they make the croton, he catch the sperm, and his mother Isis make a croton dish or a vegetable dish with croton. This is the croton tree that is considered that he make the dish, vegetable dish, and all the gods eat it. And when they complain that Horus cannot be a god because he was sodomized, it was said that even though he was sodomized, they all eat it. They all was with it. So the gods said, no, we didn't do that. He said, well, all of you eat it. So Isis come to the witness stand. I said, well, I make a dish with it. And all of you eat that croton dish. There's the croton. So Jabba Ptah is not here telling you nonsense. See? That's the croton dish. And when the gods call for this story to come to the forefront, call up the sperm. And when he called the sperm coming out of everybody's mouth who eat the croton dish. Every gods who eat Satyphon sperm. Look at that. This is in the chronology. Where people is trying to bring immoral behavior and saying that this story was one of them who helped them to come to this decision. See? The lighthouse on the square. Take a look. So Jabba Ptah is not here to tell you allegory stories. See? I'm here to tell you what is happening to us and what we should know as a people. The coconut tree with coconuts on it. Look at it. The ultimate tree. Make everything that you need. Huh? Give you food, it make your house, make your weapon. Look at it. Make your utensils. Everything that you need come from that tree right there. And make your belt for holding up your pants, and make your pants. Yeah, make your clothes. Or your apparel, if you want to call it that. So, brothers and sisters, while we stand here today, look across the globe, bro. Look into the heavens. Look. See what you see. See what you can see or learn in the circle of life. Here you are, Jabba Ptah, your brother, speaking about stuff that affect us all. Tuning out, Jabba Ptah, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha. Unless you want to know who ha ha is, ha ha is one of the first. Ha ha. Mendelusi. Go check these names out for yourself. You know, a lot of you intellectuals talking about Jabba Ptah is not an intellectual. I don't care about intellectual. I'm here to tell the story of my people that was laid down for countless centuries. Countless centuries that's been laid down. And I'm telling it to you. Those who don't want to tell it to you, I'm telling it to you. Jabba Ptah. Blessed be Jabba Ptah. Blessed be Ra. Ra! Blessed. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha.